guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sylvia. I hope you're all doing amazing. How was your Halloween, guys? Mine was pretty much boring. I did nothing apart from posting that video on the Catwoman tutorial. But one of the brothers I know, actually he is like my sister's classmate, he did something really spooky and got covered by the Telegraph India, which is amazing. I'm so proud of him. Now about today's video, it is going to be a review video. Basically I would be telling you all about my eyeshadow palettes. I pretty much have 5 with me right now in UAE. I also have a few more, but those are not with me right now. Also, all the reviews that I tell you, or all my feedbacks, or anything that I have to tell you about these palettes are going to be completely based on my personal experience with these palettes, because I've been using a few of them for over 3 to 4 years now. So this has nothing to do with the brands, and I'm not getting paid for this video. So yeah, if you are interested in watching, then continue with me. And also I encourage you to watch this video till the very end. I'm going to tell you about a few makeup palettes which are really affordable, which are really nice as well, and you can avail some discounts on those right now because Diwali is around the corner, right? So yeah, without further delay, let's get into the video. But if you guys are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. So the first palette I'm going to be showing you today is this one, the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I remember that the first day this was launched in UAE, like in Dubai, I went to the Dubai mall specifically to get this palette. This was how obsessed I was with this palette. Now, being really realistic with you guys, so if you can see this, all these shades on the topmost corner are like textured, so you can't apply these with eyeshadow brush. So I'll just do a swatch. Can you see? But especially these ones, like that is why this looks so disgusting, because I actually touched them with my hand. So if you can see, it wouldn't come out now. So this got a lot of reviews back in the days, both good and bad. Mostly because if you see the edges of this palette, it is like a paper binding, like that of a book. Even though this was so highly priced, and Huda apparently is one of my topmost beauty guru. I really admire her. So when this was going to come out from her end, I really expected high from this one. But honestly, about the shades, वो अच्छे हैं. Sorry, वो अच्छे हैं. It's like how do I call it? They're good, well pigmented, but the box itself is really like low quality. If you can see, it's gotten dirty. Like I know, as a matter of fact, for the example, this one by Nykaa, it is way cheaper compared to this, but this has a very good packing. Like it's firm. Even if it falls down, nothing happens to this. But this one fell down, and I already lost all the color from this, and this is why it is all messed up. And even if I try to get it off with I tried to clean it today, especially for this video, doesn't do much. However, the colors are really nice. Like this is one of those palettes I like to carry when I don't want to carry a lot of my makeup palettes, my eyeshadow palettes basically, because this has those beautiful gold and shimmery shades. This also has the neutral colors. It has a beautiful black and brown. So yeah, this is pretty much a makeup palette that can be used for those beautiful evenings, celebrations, birthdays, weddings. Also I use this a lot for my work because of the brown shade. So this is like a pretty handy हर जगह पे use करने type का palette. But then again, if I have to give this a rating, so about the quality of the colors, palettes included, it would be 8 out of 10. But about the packaging, really maybe 5 out of 10. What is really commendable is Huda did take all the reviews very positively, and she relaunched a new palette. So that was called the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered, because this palette did have a few shades which were having a lot of fallouts, received a lot of negative feedback. And even for these shades, the textured shades, if you would put it on your eyelids, it would be very sticky unless you were applying with your fingers. So it was, and people who have really long long nails, found it really difficult to apply. So if you are planning to buy this, then I would recommend going for the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered. That is a better version of this, and even though the box or the packaging is pretty much same, but I think those shades are much nicer. I did not feel like investing on almost the same shades twice, so I'm still sticking to this. But yeah, if I had a chance, then I would pick up that palette. So this is about this one. Now, since I already grabbed the Nykaa Double Chocolate Chip, then I'm going to talk about this. So this one is from the they have a few different ranges. This one is from Just Wink It. Now, Double Chocolate Chip, this says indulge in your favorite colors in this 12-in-1 eyeshadow palette. These matte to shimmer shades will get you rocking that simple, subtle daytime look to red carpet ready glamour. The velvety texture easily blends to a smooth, even color while delivering a rich, long-lasting pigment. Never falling apart, this palette is the ultimate tug at the heartstrings of beauty lovers. So mix and match from these 12 shades according to the occasion and amaze everyone with them. Angel eyes, girls. Velvety formula, blends easily, 12 hours long lasting, waterproof and smudge proof. Okay, so this is what this eyeshadow palette claims. My first impression about this palette is it is a very firm and sturdy packaging given the price. I am not entirely sure, but I think I got it for 1350 INR, which is dirt cheap. A lot of beauty influencers use this as well, like Indian beauty vloggers, so that is also a reason that I ordered for it, and I am very happy. Like, given the price range, I did not have very high expectations from this, but this delivered. So if you see this color, this beautiful champagne sort of a color, it is not very if you're looking for very dense pigments, like it's going to really stand out, it might not, but it is a good pocket friendly eyeshadow palette, which I believe is good enough, because on an everyday basis अगर आप देखो तो आप पर्पल, ब्लू, पिंक आंखों के ऊपर नहीं लगाते हो. You mostly stick to the regular nude shades. So this is a good one, like affordable in fact for the price range, and it has really nice browns and a bit of shimmers and gold. This is more like my kind of a palette. In fact, all the palettes that I show you doesn't really have much colors. I had one by Sephora. I gave it away to my sister because I used to always fly all the cabin crew around the world. They have a few specific shades that they can wear every day. So that is why you would see most of my palettes are pretty much in similar shades. But I think even if you are wearing makeup on an everyday basis, unless you are walking like you're a fashion model where you have to where somebody else is doing your makeup and you have to match your eyeshadows with different dresses that you're wearing, I think the basics are good to stick to. This one I really recommend if you're on a budget and you want to have something nice, then this is a good pick. The next one is again the Nude Tude by Balm. I've had this for a very long time. This palette is my absolute favorite when I want a really neutral brown shade. Again, this is also the similar packing like the Huda Beauty. It is like paper cardboard, if you can hear. But the good thing is, if I compare those two palettes, the price difference is huge. This comes at a really low price compared to the Huda Beauty palette, so I have nothing to complain. So apart from the brown shades, this also has this really beautiful shade which is Snobby. Even though it doesn't look like it, I'm not sure if you can tell, this is a very pretty gold, which none of my other palettes has. Can you see this? It is very pretty. And also it comes with this very beautiful pink shade, which can also be used as a highlighter. And the favorite color for me in this entire palette, like I wouldn't say favorite, but this is the only white shade I have in all my palettes, which is absolutely stunning. Like it is not just white, it is I'm not sure if you have used that shade Albatross from NARS. It is a highlighter. It is pretty much similar to this, like a much cheaper version of using Albatross. So if you like that color, you are likely to like this color as well. So a good pick if you again are on a budget. I think I just bought it along with the Bahama Mama bronzer, and I also got this cupcake. It's for the underarms because I sometimes do tend to get a little darker underarms, so that really helps. So I just got all of these three from I'm not sure where I got this from, but I think from an online website, and it came pretty cheap, so I just bought it. This palette, however, is Naked 3. Now, Urban Decay is one of my top favorite makeup brands. I have used their like Perversion Eye Pencil. I have used the D-Slick and also the other makeup fixing spray. I have their lipsticks. I simply just love Urban Decay. This was the fourth palette that I have, and now I'm just left with these two. I also had this Alice in Wonderland palette that they had launched. It was fairly because I just liked the way it was packed, and I also had the other palette by them, which had really beautiful colors. Like, it was the only palette with color, and I remember going all the way to Houston. Like, I bidded for that flight in particular just to go pick up that palette, and I lost it. Like, you know, it was like one fine day I just came home and it was not in my bag, so I don't know if I left it in any of my layovers or whatever. Anyways, it's gone, so no point. So this, if you can see, it has all the beautiful shades of brown but mixed with pink. So, you know, it is perfect if you are looking for that really floral, like, you know, petally sweet sort of a makeup look, then this is perfect. So all the shades are from pink to brown but melted with a shade of pink. So this is one of my top favorite palettes, and this is somehow coming out. I dropped it too many times. I keep dropping everything, so it's coming out. Now again, because I have so many eyeshadow palettes, I don't really use all of them at the same time, apart from this shade right here. Like, you know, when I have to go to work really quick, then this is one shade I can show you. This is like a pure rose gold. What just happened? Sorry, maybe here. So it is a pure rose gold color. I just put this on my eyelid, I put eyeliner, and I'm done for the day. So that's why this shade has run out. I use that a lot. A very nice palette, but it is a little on the higher end of the price scale, if you ask me. And the last palette that I'm going to show you, you must have seen me using this you know, recently on many of my makeup videos. So this is called the Moon Dust. It's such a beautiful shade palette, you guys. Like, you have all the colors of shimmer that you would need. Like, you have a beautiful green, you have blue. Why I never bothered to buy a different color palette is because I can always put the concealer, I put my you know, eye makeup primer, and then I put this. This just takes, I don't really need to invest in a palette, because mostly when you're using these colors, like, you know, if not a shimmer, then you would definitely go ahead and put some sort of a shimmer. So this works for me, even though I am looking for a palette. So that's pretty much it about all the palettes, guys. I really hope this helped. Now, as I promised, I'm going to tell you about a couple of like options which you can go for, because I do keep getting these messages, you know, and even Ankita, I remember she asked me like if you could tell us which would be a good palette for the beginners. So this palette is really good if you're looking for a budget friendly like palette for an everyday wear. As a beginner, I guess you're not going to play around a lot with colors, तो आप लोग definitely इस palette को like try कर सकते हो. My bhabhi really liked it when I like, you know, recommended this to her. Also, guys, even though I have recommended Nykaa, and I'm also going to tell you about Makeup Revolution palette, the one that I really think even as a beginner can be useful to you. So I was going through all the websites where you can find some nice discounts. So I came across Nykaa, of course. I have been ordering a lot lately. In fact, मैंने अपने शादी के time पे I probably ordered around like, you know, cosmetics of a huge amount, like literally a big amount. So I do keep getting these promotional offers, but then I went ahead and checked if it was available to everybody, and gladly it is. So they have a huge Diwali offer going on, so you can check this, check in the description box. I'm going to leave the link there. This one, they're giving two palettes by Makeup Revolution. So one is a nude palette and the other one has colors, which is amazing, and they're giving it for a very cheap price, 950 rupees only. You get two Makeup Revolution palette, which is amazing. You know why? I'll tell you. Those palettes are really well pigmented. I have tried Makeup Revolution palette on my own, so that's why I know they're well pigmented, and the price that they're offering is really cheap. Again, just because I'm giving you the link for Nykaa doesn't mean I am in partnership with them. No, even though I wish they paid me for it. I mean, well, so but they're not. So yeah, do click on the link and check out. I in fact ordered one for myself, so by the time I get home I should be having mine. So yeah guys, that's about today's video. I really hope you liked this and this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to mention in the comment section. Share with your friends and family, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.